Depends on what few is, Jeff. I understand.
Alright guys, so this one you can't go wrong on. They're both 2s. So 2 minus 3 times 2 equals 4. No. So is this a solution? No. Is it on the line? No. So to be on the line, it has to solve the equation.
No.
So this guy, what do I put in for B?
7.
7. And A is
1.
1. And that's true. Yes.
Do we have to write no, or we just put no?
You better answer the question. Yes. Now, to be honest, the answers to both would be the same.
Yeah.
So. Now this guy was just plugging in some values, right? When you plug a 1 in, 2y minus 1, so you add the 1, divide by 2, you should get 4. Is that all right? You guys? So it'll be 2y minus 1 equals 7, and then you just have to solve that. Now again, at this stage in the game of this course, if you are still having trouble solving an equation like this, you desperately need some help, you need to come see me. These little equations are going to be part of a bigger problem, and if it's taking you a while for this, you're never going to get through a test, finish the homework. You understand? So I'm not trying to make you feel bad, I'm just trying to make you realize what you got to do. So there, I add 1, divide by 2, so I get 4. If I put a 2 in for what? Y. So then I get 4 minus x equals 7.
-3.
-3. Put a -5 in for x, what happens there? So it's 2y minus -5. So 2y plus 5. Subtract 5, I get 2. Divide by 2, I get 1. And then I went and wrote over my poor little last thing. So put a 5 in for y. It'll be 10 minus x equals 7. So that's obviously 3. I subtract 3 from 10 to make it 7. Poor little dude. So then I just have to plot these. 1, 4. -3, 2. -5, 1. 3, 5. Everything looks like it lines up. Let's see if Jeff can do it. Holy shit. All right. X, Y. I like it. Or, did everybody do that okay?
Yeah.
And then the last one I think I'll do today, because I got a meeting at 2 o'clock that I want to get ready for shit. So this one you had to choose your own. Almost always you're going to use, where's my dude always says, what are you going to use?
-1, 0, 1.
Yeah. Well, these always work, no, but then you just pick some other ones. If you get some funky outputs, try something else. But when you put a -1 in, it'll be 3 plus 2. When you put a 0 in, your y is 2. When you put a 1 in, you get -3 plus 2. You could have used other points, doesn't really matter. -1, 5, 0, 2, 1, -1. By the way, for the sake of time, I'm not showing my scale, but you desperately want to show me when you do these on the test, scale. I'll take points off of me, but I passed this course already, so it ain't gonna affect me. You gotta remember to put that scale on there, so you don't lose points.
Scale, like remember?
Yeah. All right, we'll finish the rest of it tomorrow. I have the answer key for the practice tomorrow. I'll have the quizzes graded tomorrow. Tonight, I don't know how I'm going to do all that, but